How to turn off, remove, blocked and muted accounts on Twitter. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn off, remove, blocked and muted accounts on Twitter. First go to Twitter and then go here and then go down, click settings, brand privacy, and now click this one, privacy and safety, and then click this one, content you see. And now all you need to do is just click this one, search settings, and then click here, this one, turn it off. And as you see, remove blocked and muted accounts has turned it off. And if you want to turn it on again, just click on it. And that's it for today's video. If you like it, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.